Unlock the hidden goldmine in real estate with Propstream, your ultimate tool for finding profitable deals and dominating the market. Dive into Propstream's core by mastering its search filters. Start by selecting your target area, be it a specific zip code, city, or even a custom radius around a particular property. Now, let's refine your search to pinpoint lucrative opportunities. Utilize the property characteristics filter to narrow down by property type, year built, or square footage for strategic investing. Focus on owner information filters like absentee owner or high equity properties, a circumflex euros. These often signal motivated sellers. Visualize your findings with Propstream's mapping features. Activate the map view to see your search results visually laid out. Use the heat map overlay to identify neighborhoods with a high concentration of distressed or high-equity properties, revealing prime investment zones. Once you've identified potential leads, delve into their property details here. You'll find crucial information like estimated market value, recent sales data, ownership history, and potential equity. This data is your foundation for making informed decisions. Streamline your workflow by creating custom lists. Save groups of properties that fit your investment criteria for easy future access and analysis. This prevents you from losing track of promising opportunities. Take your strategy further by exporting your filtered lists. This allows for deeper analysis, sharing with partners, or integrating with other real estate tools. Propstream empowers you to bypass time-consuming manual research, giving you a significant competitive advantage. Master these features, and you'll be well on your way to discovering your next profitable real estate investment.